Do you have a ball? Let me see your ball. That's your ball. You got a ball. Is that a fun ball? Whee! Yeah, it's a ball. It's a ball. What are you going to do with it? It's so much fun. Yeah, you can pass it from hand to hand. Oh, can I have it? Can I have the ball? Can you share the ball? Nah, not into that. The ball. You got the ball. Yay! Uh-oh. Better get it. Uh-oh, better get it. You got the ball. You got the ball. Uh-oh, where did it go? You better go get it. Oh, you got it. Hey, Zev, can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Uh-oh, and all the way over there. What are you going to do about that? Maybe you should crawl for it. There you go. Go ahead. You can do it, buddy. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, you can do it. You can do it. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. You can do it. Go ahead. You can do it. You can do it. You got it. Ah, on the tummy. All right. Oh, yeah. Get your knees up. Ay, ay, ay. One of these days. One of these days. All right. Want me to help you get the ball? I'll help you get the ball. Okay, bye-bye.